First thing we need to do is produce a template. So that's cut out now, so all I've got to do now is I've just got to cut out the shapes of the branches. I've got myself 2 pieces of ply, 10mm thick. They're screwed together, and I have got a centre line down, straight down the middle. I'm going to pin it down, and then I'm going to draw all the way around. And this is where I'm going to cut using my handsaw to make it easier when I'm going to be using the jigsaw to cut out the shape. Look at the triangle now. We have 420mm across the bottom, 420mm down each side, and 360mm from top to bottom in the middle. So these are kind of the 2 standard bottles I'm going to be using on this advent calendar. So if I measure this, this is coming out at 31mm. So the base of this is about, that was about 51mm. So I'm going to be using a 60mm or a 2 3/8 hole saw, and that's going to go through the back. And I've drilled straight through the 2 pieces of wood because they're still joined together, and that will give me the holes for the other side to be able to drill that. Here's all the holes in the front done. So they're the first 2 pieces, and I've made this out of thicker ply. This is 18mm ply instead of the 10. Now, to accommodate these notches, what I've had to do is notch the base of the main body as well, because this needs to slot into there. See, it's quite stable. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to cut some plywood down the sides here to cover the sides, because you don't want to see the sides of the bottles, and this is what these pieces of scrap ply are. And again, try and be careful around the holes, because you don't want the green paint going inside and ruining the black on the background. And then I'm going to line it up with the edge of the stars. Making sure I'm covering the star, and then just pull away from it. And just spray it on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue each one of them onto here and work my way around. So around the front first, and then what I've got left I'll put around the back. And there you go, it is finished. So lights have gone on now, and I've done the final touch of putting a few little baubles on there. You can't have a Christmas tree without baubles. So all I've got to do now is spend an absolute fortune on getting some wine, or more wine, to put in. But there you go. The task is done.